What's up mga tropa? Another day, another game na naman tayo. This is Hunter Tale. Isa siyang gacha game where kailangan mong mag-recruit ng hunters, mag-complete ng quest, and mag-expand ng mga buildings throughout the continent sa loob ng game. Currently, the game is on its early pioneers program stage. And ito ang mga kailangan mong gawin para maka-join ka. The first thing you need to do is create your account. I'll provide na lang yung link sa description. Check nyo na lang. To create your account, pwede mong gamitin yung email, social accounts mo, or yung mga wallets nyo. Then, after signing in, ang next nyo naman gagawin is bigyan ng name yung character nyo and i-customize yung appearance niya. After customizing yung character, kailangan nyo pumunta sa NPC ng pangalan nila guys. Dito sa may tabi lang ng building. Then, ang next nyo gagawin is i-connect yung X nyo. Then, after connecting your X account, pwede na kayong pumunta sa earnings, and ang gagawin nyo na lang daily is balik-balikan nyo na lang para ma-claim yung crown credits nyo. The game can be accessed at the moment for PC only. Wala pa siyang update regarding sa mobile platforms niya. Kasi very early stage pa lang yung game, so be prepared. Yun lang, sana may natutunan kayong bago. Happy gaming mga tropa!